Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you two methods in how to solve can turned off airplane mode in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is here at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together. And by that, you would be able to open the small window called Run, where here you need to type for services .msc. Again, type for services.msc. Once done, click on OK to proceed. At the moment you are being redirected to the services window, you would be able to see a list of service or system, where here you need to select any of the service or system and type R in your keyboard and look for an option or a service called Radio Management Service. Again, look for a service named Radio Management Service, and here please proceed at the left side of that where you can see radio management service, where you can stop the service and where you can restart the service. Now we need to click on restart the service and wait until this would be done. Once you have restarted the radio management service, close this window and try to turn off the airplane mode in your Windows. Try to check if you are still being stuck with the airplane mode in your Windows or your computer. However, if yes, then we need to proceed to our second method. Our second method would be here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for CMD. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best match, which is a command prompt system, and go with Run as Administrator. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running the window as administrator. And we're here, you need to type three commands. The first command that you need to do is you need to release the ipconfig. So type for ipconfig space / release and click on enter. Once done, okay, you need to type for ipconfig space / renew. Click on enter, okay? And once you're done, you need to type for ipconfig space / the third option, which is flushdns. Click on enter. And once you have successfully type all of the three command tags, you need to close this window and navigate to your start icon, tap on it, and go with the power menu options and go with restart. Now restart your computer, and once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So those are the two methods in how to fix your problem, which is your computer being stalked by the airplane mode. If those methods help you to fix that, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.